Kostandiina, remember, with double I. During quarantine, I've been trying to do some new things, and painting was always one of my interests. So instead of buying a white canvas and some paint, I chose to go for a paint by number, as I thought it would be easier and the result would be a painting that I really like. Win-win, right? In today's video, I'm going to show you from the beginning to the end how I made it, give you some tips of all the things that I would have done differently and I didn't follow, and I hope that you will find it useful. It took me more than 3 hours, even though this video is 6 minutes. So if you like my work, please subscribe, give it a like, and comment if you have any suggestion. I chose a painting that I really like, Freshness of Cold in the Evening by Leonid Afremov. Not the easiest painting to start with, as this was my first time. So, tip number 1. I would definitely suggest you, if it's your first time, to go for an easier and not so complicated painting. But if you are stubborn as me, you could go for a painting that you really like. Tip number 2. Choose your workplace. Somewhere bright and comfortable for your back and neck. As you can see, I didn't follow that well and I got a lesson from it, some back pain. So, if you don't have a comfortable place, at least remember to buy some painkillers. Tip number 3. Take a picture on your phone because the numbers are very small and you could confuse them later on. I didn't do that and I would definitely suggest that to you. It's way easier to zoom in than be super close to the painting, as you can see me in the video. Tip number 4. Hide the number. In some dark colors, it will be easy to hide it, but bright colors like yellow, white, the number will still show after the first layer. So after I finished, I realized that some numbers would still show, and I had to apply a second, third layer until I didn't see it. And guess what? It works. Just let it dry before doing any double layer. Tip number 5. Break some rules. I try to follow all the rules, number according to the color, and I think I missed on experimenting with colors to try to combine differently. So I would definitely suggest you, if you want the painting to be more of your own, try mixing the colors. These were all the tips from me. Thank you for watching, and if you found these tips useful, comment below. Let me know what do you think of my work